So currently there's a lot of buzz, there's a lot of excitement about bioactive. We probably know your response, but do you think it's a fad or is it here to stay?
It's still in its infancy. A lot of people, the key opinion leaders, it's been a big buzz for them because it was something new to talk about. And it's interesting to the research. It's becoming more and more interesting to the research community that's not involved in it. But on a general dentist basis, it's still largely unknown. And so again, I think there's a lot of education that needs to happen. And anytime you enter a market and it's education that's going to take you where you need to go, it takes a lot more time. Education is the slow way to success, but it's also the long-term success. And that's why I stay in it. We're not doing lots and spending millions of dollars in marketing. We're spending most of our marketing money on research and educating educators, because we'd rather see it come up through the educational community as they understand, the benefits of bioactivity. And I'm speaking about the bioactivity as a subject, not as a product. Because again, I think there's a lot of open space for other manufacturers and other bioactive products. And we see bioactivity now in endodontics. We see it in prevention, like mouthwashes and toothpastes, and even now starting to come into dental sealants and varnishes. You see calcium and phosphate now coming into all of these products. So dentists are sort of aware of it, and they see the need for it when they're talking about remineralization and etc. But in terms of restorative materials, it's still slow to come.